Right. So as part of our Jira learning, as far as the Jira operations are concerned, uh, so how do Jira operations can be done for a particular task or an activity that we have created in Jira board. In regard to that, so we have taken a project called inventory. In the last session, I have created a project, inventory project, and we have updated even tasks, all that. In that one of the task here, you can see Kanban 7, right? So this is a task, there were many tasks, but one of the tasks I have taken called economic order quantity. Now, if you want to create any kind of economic order quantity, especially from the inventory management point of view, I'm creating. Now, if you want to add any kind of new existing pages or something, or else if you want to create any kind of creating any kind of child work items, etc. So here we can add it. That is one option we have. At the same time, if you want to add any kind of apps to the existing task that we have taken, even we can take in that as well also. But I have taken here about the creating a child work item. Okay, creating a child work item is taken. So here we need to write down the work item. What should be the work item? Right? Economic order quantity. Right. For the child work item is order calculation. Okay. Right. So order calculation is a child work item I have created here. Right. So this is a work item I have taken. Here you can see for this, generally we have a work item called order calculation is done. Like this, if you want to add new tasks or existing one, or if you want to add any new child works on any kind of subtasks, etc., everything can be added. That is because it depends on the type of task we have taken. Whatever the activities that we need to be updated, everything can be done accordingly. This is here we need to write down the description. What exactly economic order quantity is all about. Now, if you want to understand about that, it's always important for us to know about what exactly the inventory management system majorly lies for. Generally, inventory management system majorly used to manage the inventory of any retail or any kind of operations, all that, right? So as far as Jira operations, when we are updating, being an operational specialist, first of all, the task we have to take, that's the reason the economic order quantity we have taken. Okay. So we need to write down the description for that, which I am writing here. EOQ is an inventory management formula and formula that determines the optimal quantity in order to minimize total inventory cost. From a balancing holding costs and ordering cost to reduce overall expenses. Okay, this is the description I have taken. Okay. This is about EOQ, economic order quantity. Description is mentioned here. Child work item order calculation I have taken. So if there is any other child work items we have, everything can be added to the existing one. If there are any new related works that we have, right, so which has to be updated, etc., so that we can related work items. Related work items. Uh, is cloned by consignment of inventory, forecasting future needs, inventory acting. So I'm taking forecasting future needs. That is what something that I'm linking. Okay, I'm linking the forecasting future because this is about the determine the optimal quantity of the item, right? So that's the reason why this has to be connected with the forecasting of future inventory needs. So that's the reason why this is one of the tasks which I have cloned. That's where generally I have used a word called cloned, right? So we can clone it. So this is how generally when we are updating any kind of operations, as far as Jira operations are concerned, when we are working on it, this is how generally we need to do. So apart from that, to whom are we assigning this, right? So for example, this is an automatic assignment. Need to update the parent, right? So if there are any uh, show work items we have, etc., everything will add the due date. Due date can be added even here. Due date I have added. So if you want to add any kind of labels, you can add it. Okay. EOQ is one of the label I am adding. Inventory is a label I am adding here. Next, inventory forecasting. Forecasting is a new label. So these are the labels for identification purpose we have taken. Okay. Now, if you want to add any team, right? So existing team we have, that team can be added. So that, for example, we are creating a team called invent team. Okay. Inventory team. Okay. I'm referring to that. Create. So inventing is something that I have created. So because start date, right? So when this is going to start, right? This is the date. For example, 27th is the date I have taken. So creating a branch. Right? So if you want to create any kind of new branches to the existing one. So if you want to copy this, if you want to update any new branch or new commit, etc., everything can be added here accordingly. So this is how generally this operations for every task, whatever are the working, especially on the Jira point of view, when we are working on Jira operations. This is how we have to be updated for the tasks which we have created already for the existing application. As an example of application I have taken, this is how it will be related for every application.